How to fix if QR code scanner is not working on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and tap on apps. Now here again tap on this apps option and then tap on camera. Now here you will see a force stop option. So tap on this force stop option and then from the pop-up again tap on force stop to confirm. And after force stopping the camera app, the QR code scanner will start working properly. But if you are still facing the issue while using the QR code scanner, then open settings again. Now go to apps, tap on apps, open the camera app again, and this time go to the storage of camera app. Now clear the app data and cache memory. So to clear the cache memory, tap on clear cache, and to clear the app data, tap on clear data, and from the pop-up tap on OK to confirm. Now after doing this, if you are still facing the issue while using the QR code scanner, then the last solution is check for your phone's software update. So for that, open settings again. Now scroll down to the end and click on system and updates, and then tap on software update. Now from here check if your phone's software is up to date or not. So if it's not updated, then tap on download and install to update the software. And after updating the phone's software, the QR code scanner will start working properly. So that's how you can fix the QR code scanner not working issue on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.